In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Flight Alerts. Have you ever wanted to book a flight but felt overwhelmed by constantly checking prices in hopes they'll drop? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the simple yet effective world of setting up Google Flight Alerts. This nifty feature alerts you when the prices of flights you're interested in change, potentially saving you a lot of money and hassle. So grab your laptop or mobile device and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Travel. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in https://www.google.com/travel into the address bar. As soon as you hit enter, you'll be taken to Google's comprehensive travel site, which is your gateway to not just flight information, but also hotel bookings, travel guides, and much more. Upon arriving at Google Travel, you'll notice a sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this is your next step. It's a small action, but signing in ensures that all your travel preferences and alerts are saved to your account, making future searches and alert management a breeze. After you click the sign in button, Google will prompt you to choose your account. If you're already logged into a Google account on your browser, you'll likely see it here. If not, no worries, just select use another account and proceed to log in with your Google account credentials. Now it's time to input your password. Make sure you enter the correct Google password associated with your account and click next. Following this step secures your login and brings you back to the Google Travel homepage. But this time you're logged in. Next you're going to click on Google Flights from the Google Travel home screen. This will direct you to the flight search interface, which is where the magic happens. Here you can search for flights, compare prices, and of course set alerts for your desired destinations. Speaking of desired destinations, go ahead and type yours into the search bar. Let's say you're planning a trip to Paris. Type Paris and the system will automatically suggest options. Selecting your destination is the starting point for any flight search, providing you with a range of possibilities and prices to sift through. Your adventure dates are important, so let's set them next. Click on the departure and return date fields to open up a calendar view. Here you can navigate through months and select the dates that best suit your travel plans. Whether you're looking at a quick weekend getaway or a long-haul journey, picking your dates meticulously is crucial. Once you have your date set, click Done. This action confirms your chosen date range and updates the search interface with your selection. Remember, the flexibility in your travel dates can significantly affect flight prices, so it's wise to play around with this feature if your plans allow. Now that your travel specifications are all set, it's time to hit the search button. Give it a click and Google Flights will whir into action, comparing dozens if not hundreds of potential flights to find those that match your criteria. It's like having a personal travel agent at your fingertips, scouring the vastness of the internet to bring you the best deals. Once your search results are displayed, scroll down until you see a toggle for setting alerts for your dates. This is where you'll enable Google Flight Alerts. By clicking on this toggle, you're essentially asking Google to keep an eye on prices for the dates and destination you've selected. Whenever there's a significant price change, Google will notify you, ensuring you never miss out on a good deal. And just like that, you've successfully set up Google Flight Alerts. Simple, right? With this set, you can go about your daily business knowing that you'll be informed the moment there's an opportunity to book your dream trip at a more affordable price. Remember, the world of travel is ever changing, with prices fluctuating due to various factors like demand, seasonality, and airline promotions. By setting up flight alerts, you're one step ahead, armed with information that could save you money and hassle. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to set Google Flight Alerts. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first big trip, this tool is undoubtedly going to make your travel planning smoother and more cost effective. Safe travels and see you in the next video.